So earlier today we arrived here on the chance of getting the gear assist light resolved. When we put the gear down before, we weren't getting any gear and we were getting a yellow gear assist double chime. Okay, so you can go back on the autopilot if you want, so that we're only doing one thing at one time. Let's lock this up here. 2 fingers on the yoke, and let's have the gear safe. Let's have gear down. Take your hand away. This looks normal. Feels normal. We can feel the airplane slowing down. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And now toga. Power. Get your hand down low. Try not to touch the power that way. It's in rough air. It's the kiss of death. Go ahead. Set that power. Go on. Set it. Set it. Set it. Go on. Set it up. Yes. Set it. Set it. Set it. Set it. Up. 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 Yep. Good. And now positive rate. Gear and flaps. Gear and flaps. Right away. No delay. Don't touch a thing. We're good. Okay, gear check's good. All right, now anything you want to do in terms of altitude or whatever is fine with me. Thank you. Got a good airplane today. Dick Rochfort, fly safely. Train off it.